Move in.
Under the bridge! Logan, under the bridge! Logan, right on your right! Where? Under the bridge!
Under the bridge? Oh.
Yeah, he's hiding behind there. I think you're good. Alright, watch on your right side. This will be guys.
You got him?
Okay, are you out? No, I'm just pulling back. Okay. I thought you were coming to pull back.
Jesus.
One other bridge.
Bouncing over.
Yeah, Andrew, hit those dude. Yeah, that's right. Wait, watch under bridge though.
Nate, moving.
Hold on, be careful.
Clear. Move in. Sorry. Hit.
Oh, get him. God damn.
Excuse me. Got one kill confirmed there. That sounded like full auto.
I hate getting shot in the finger.
Yeah, it's not fun. Where are they when you respawn? Let me know. Dash! Over here. Where are they at?
I'll send them around the far side, but we got contact on both sides.
Okay. Friendly's over here. Keep moving. Keep moving. Moving.
Oh, yeah.
Got contacts over here. Watch this corner.
Hey guys, watch back there.
That's our guy, right?
Yeah, the little guy.
I saw that hit you. Yeah, I saw it hit him. No. Friendly, man, come on, what are you doing?
Sorry about that.
Don't know if they're ours or not. Bang bang. All right, I didn't feel it, but I believe you. You're probably not actually hitting me then. Dead man walking.
Is this shooting?
Excuse me, guys.
We're loaded on that
I
side.
think some guy thinks he's better than he really is. He keeps claiming he shoots me when I have the drop on him every time. Just one of their teammates. He's being a piece of crap. He's like, I don't know how you don't feel when it hits you. I'm like, I had the drop on you. I don't. Yeah, it's all grown up.
What you do to it?
Everything. Watch barn side. Josh, barn side hallway. Push in. Guys, move. I'll be your eyes. I'll be your eyes. Green room. Josh, other side. Green room. Excuse me.
They're right down in that room. Which way? Hold the pin! No.
Oh, I saw it hit you.
Just throw it. Right up here.
Did you pull the pin?
Yeah, it says done.
Are you going out or what?
Eddie, I got you.
Oh, I thought you were saying you shot me. I'm like, what are you talking about? Why are you shooting me then? Move in. Got you. I saw that hit you.
Bang bang!
Bang bang.
Bang bang! Bang
Bang bang. Hey, you.
Bitch is going down. That's me. In that doorway.
Sorry.
Oh, you're hit! Okay, or not.
Hey, you know where they're at? That was ricocheting the neck down here.
Sorry. Grabbing my thunder BB.
One up, red! Then I come with you.
Guys, over there, Green Tower building. Let's move. Hey, Cream.
He's right there! Hey, dude, I'm gonna push up. Down that hall,
I know.
Ready?
Huh?
I'm gonna run up there.
Go. I'll cover you. Move.
Hey, bang!
No. This?
Oh no, that was not you, it was someone else. Is that friendly? Friendly!